Well, hello there, it's Ina here, and welcome to my art room. Let's work on this little box today. I found it at a thrift store. I like the size, the little legs, and the hinges it has, but I do need to remove these paper strips, and those were rather stubborn. But with the help of my screwdriver and even some sandpaper, I got the box ready for the next step. I wiped the dust away and then started with some texture paste and a stencil. Now, ideally, I would let this dry before placing my stencil again, but I really don't have patience for it. So if you are careful like I do here and you angle your stencil, it works out all right. And my goal here is to create some texture all around the box with different materials and then embellish the very top. So my process is going to be very easy for you to follow. I will be using all kinds of different mediums, and those and anything else you may need to know will, like always, be in the captions. So please enjoy the process and the music, and I will be back talking to you in just a wee bit. Now, as you could see, it took me several steps to get the coloring just right, but now I'm happy with the way it looks. And as I only used permanent mediums, I do not have to seal this box. Here are one more time the details. The sides are nicely textured, although I kept them fairly simple. Most of the decorations are definitely here on the top. I colored the focal points slightly different to make them pop. I also added those gems and tiny texture beads for extra interest. Now, when I glued down all the details, I started with the more subtle texture of the lace and then worked up to the bigger pieces. And I tried to achieve somewhat of a balance without becoming symmetrical, and that's sometimes a challenge. Anyway, here on the inside, I used a vintage craft paper to line everything. And although I'm usually not a big friend of roses and butterflies, I think it fits the style of the box. And the sealer protects the paper. The bottom is plain black. And that's really all there is to this little box. I hope this inspires you to maybe decorate a box you have laying around. It's a very relaxing project, not too involved, although it's the details that makes any project special. So thank you very much for visiting with me today. I will get to see you soon again. Stay well and creative. Bye bye for now.